Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas day 15. Today is a really chill day for me. It looks very gloomy outside. I really don't have that much planned. I have to run a few errands, so of course I'm going to take you guys along with me. I have to check my P.O. box, and then I need to go to Target to get a few essentials for the house. And then that's pretty much it. I'm wearing my watch. I told y'all about this watch. My husband bought this watch for me. I guess you could say it was for my birthday because I've been wanting a watch. Y'all know I had one, like a little cheap one that I ordered from Amazon maybe like a year or two ago. I don't like that watch. So Tony, he was telling me about the new FITBIT. This is the Versa 3 and I love this thing. Okay, so I put this on as soon as I wake up in the morning, and I don't take it off unless I'm washing dishes or shower or when I get ready to go to sleep. But I love this watch, but I do want to get a different band because this band is just like, I don't know, I just don't like this band. If I'm just wearing it in the gym, I wouldn't mind this band, but because I'm keeping it on like all throughout the day, I want it to look a little fancy. So if you guys have an Apple Watch or a Fitbit that you wear throughout the day, y'all let me know where you guys got your bands from. Now I'm gonna look online here. I want to show you guys this one that I found. So it's this. Can y'all see that? It's this one right here, and I think this one is really cute. So y'all let me know. I was thinking about going to the mall today to see if they had like a kiosk in the middle of the mall to where I can look at the bands, you know, in person. Y'all know I'm like an in-person shopper unless it's Amazon, which I know they probably have a few on Amazon, but I don't know what color I should go with. The band that was already attached to the watch when I got it was a little bit too tight, and this one is a little bit too big. But I mean, I have it like on the fourth hole, and I mean it feels pretty comfortable, I guess. But I want to get a new band because this black one, this is just like gym vibes all day. Gym vibes all day, and I'm not going to the gym. I'm not going to the gym right now. I haven't been to the gym, y'all, in maybe like 3 weeks because they were getting a little too lax in the gym for me at first. You know, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I go to the gym early in the morning, and I would go to the gym. They had like this room, and I was the only one in there, or maybe like it'll be like probably like the end of my workout, 1 or 2 people will trickle in, but other than that, you know, I felt pretty good going to the gym. Now people are going to the gym, they're taking their mask off once they get on the machine, which to me makes no sense because I'm like, okay, that's when you sweating and breathing hard and coughing and all kind of crazy stuff. Put your mask on. Even though I have my mask on, but I just was feeling like, oh, I don't know. So I might start back going. I'm not too sure. I might just go to the community gym out here because I know that they only allow like 2 people in there at a time. So I really like that. And with me working from home, I can go to the gym early in the morning. So I am going to start back working out because I definitely need to. So yeah, that's one thing that I might do today. Try to see if I can find a cuter band and you know, so I could be styling and profiling. So y'all let me know in the comments if you guys have a watch like this or an Apple Watch that you wear all day long. What band did you go with, and what website did you find your band on, so I can check them out. This watch pretty much does everything that an Apple Watch can do. I can make phone calls, I can text, I can start music, I can check my heart rate, my calorie burn, all of that stuff that an Apple Watch can do. This watch can pretty much do. This watch was $200, and they do try to get you to pay for some type of subscription, but you really don't need all of that. And I know like with the Apple Watch you have to pay for the plan or something like that too. So I was just like, no, I'll just get this one. So yeah, and I'm telling y'all, y'all know I don't steer y'all wrong. I ain't gonna tell y'all nothing if I don't really like it. So I love this watch. Y'all, like, I love it. But like I said, I don't like this black. Like, it just look like I'm going to the gym. Like, girl, I'm not going to the gym right now. I was like 153 steps away from hitting 10,000 steps for that day. And then it started like vibrating, like get up, move. You know, it'll tell you that. Girl, I'm like, girl, you don't know my life.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the rivers in the rain is falling. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming.
Okay, y'all, so I made it back home, and first I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from Fresh Market. So tonight I plan on doing a veggie pizza. So I just picked up this 12-inch cheese pizza. It was only $7.99, and y'all see it has the mozzarella cheese and the tomato sauce on it already, and I'll just add my vegetables. And then I finally found my favorite gelato. This brand I could usually find in Walmart, but they haven't had the pistachio in there for a while. So this is like my favorite. And then I picked up 2 of the plant-based ground, 2 of those. And then I wanted to try the Beyond Breakfast sausage. I've never tried these before. So before we get started, I'm going to show y'all what I picked up from Forever 21. But before we get started, hopefully the lighting is not off. I have to have my ring light behind me because one of my light bulbs went out, and I have to wait for my husband to change it because if you guys don't know, I'm afraid of heights, so I can't get on the ladder to change it myself. But I was reading some of my comments, and you guys remember over the weekend I tried some plantains, and I do know what you usually eat plantains with. But if you guys have been following me for a while, or you follow my mukbang channel, you guys know that I'm the type of person that likes sauce or some type of dip with my food. So that's why I said that I wanted something to dip it in. I know that it doesn't usually come with some type of dip. I know that. Like, I'm no stranger to Jamaican food, Spanish food. Like, I know what it's usually served with. I'm that girl that needs a sauce on the side or some type of sauce with my food like that. So that's just why I was saying, like, I don't know what you would dip it in because it's a fried banana, but I needed some type of dip. So okay, so y'all know here lately I've been really into, you know, just a bunch of relaxed, chill fits because I really haven't been going anywhere to buy anything too dressy. And I'll probably try this stuff on, but just not today. So I don't have anything this color. What color is this? This is a sage, and I just thought that this was such a pretty color. So it's a hoodie. I got this from the men's section. So I got the hoodie in a size medium. This hoodie was $18. But I just thought that that color was so pretty. And I don't have anything this color. So I picked this up along with the shorts. And the shorts were $14.99. I got the shorts in an extra large. So hopefully they fit. I want them to fit a little baggy. I have a pair in the large, but I want these to fit like a little loose. So we'll see, but I'm really excited about this one. And then I picked up a burgundy pair of joggers, and I also got these in a 1X just because I want them to be really loose fitting, really comfortable to wear around the house and still look cute when I'm doing my videos. And then I picked up another pair of joggers, and I picked this one up in a large. And these were $24.99. So they look like this. I also don't have anything in this color. This is, what color is this? It's just a teal. This doesn't look teal to me, but they say it's a teal. And then I picked up these really cute, y'all can't really see, These are like some long knit black pants. They're just like the ones that they sell in H&M, and I found them in Forever 21. And these were $25. This is a size large. Look at this, but of course y'all know they stretch. But yeah, so, and they flare out at the bottom. I picked these up in the black and in the cream, the same exact ones. So these are gonna be really cute. I picked up some bobby pins. If you know, you know. Okay, I'm not gonna even get into it. Bobby pins. And then y'all know the little camis that they always have at Forever 21, the different colors. They have like the ones with the thicker strap. So some of these. I got the mustard. I got the navy blue, white, tan, pistachio, periwinkle, pink, burgundy. So I can wear these two together around the house. That should look good. Heather gray. And these were $3.99 each. So I pretty much got every color except for black because they didn't have my size. But I did find this really pretty black bodysuit. Be really cute with some jeans. And I like to wear these little camis like this with like joggers or like some tights, and then you'll wear like your oversized cardigan, and it looks really cute with some cute little flats. It looks cute just to chill in. So, and I think that's it. So that is all that I picked up today. So I gotta just fold this stuff up. And yeah, I'm gonna try these on so y'all can see how they look, because these are so cute. They look just like the ones from H&M. Let me try them. Okay, y'all, so this is how they look. The bag, and this is the large. Like this. And then, y'all can't see nothing. And then this is how they look at the bottom. I like them. Really cute. Okay, y'all, I decided to try on some other stuff too, because I'm gonna try it on anyway. So I said might as well try it on with y'all. So this is how the burgundy pair fit. Just like I wanted it to fit. It's a little loose. And you know how sometimes you wear something and they kind of lose their fit, which is not a bad thing in this case, because I wanted them to, you know, fit a little baggier. Let me back y'all up. So yeah, they look good. This is how they look in the back. They're not too snug. So I really, really like that. And then, you know, I could wear them with, you know, whatever I want to wear them with. So yeah, love that. I did not find a kiosk that sold the wristbands for my watch. So I probably end up ordering it off of Amazon. What else I want to try on for y'all? These will fit just like the black ones, so I'm not going to try these on. I'll do this little fit right here. So let's try this next. Now these don't fit as loose as I thought they were gonna fit, but I have big legs, so yeah. But they do fit looser than the ones that I have in the extra large, because the extra large are actually really tight on me. So let's try on the hoodie. I'm gonna keep this shirt on. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks with the hoodie. I love this color. It's really cute. So yeah, love this. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I like it a lot. Yeah, my lighting is so off in here. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.